to the Woodpecker Ranch. Welcome to the Woodpecker Ranch.
What a good day to be alive. Hey guys, did you know that this is our 11th episode? It's true, actually.
Bro, Parker, are you trying to be the fun factor? Or are you trying to be funny? Pick one, please.
Neither, because I am going on this important date with my friend who is called Penny.
No. Not this again, bro.
Oh, yes, it will. This date will become great.
But then who's gonna take the little pretty of me? Fine boy.
I just got the guy. Danny! Y'all, what's up?
Oh, hi. Hello again. Danny.
I'm doing good if you ask me. Hello guys, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all enjoy y'all day. I won't let Fiona escape. Wait, I've met you before. Because you did meet me before.
I don't know what to do now.
I'm gonna be the best babysitter ever, even though I don't live here.
At home. Can I come to the date too? 'Cause I'm not really a young child anymore.
No, because we do not want bird wheeling. We want to be by ourselves. By the way, guys, did you know that this video was supposed to be posted on February 14, 2025? Yep, it's true. We want all of this date to ourselves. And for now, both of us will get ready. So, I'm gonna get ready. Yep, you heard me. I'm gonna get ready for my suit. Yep. Let me do this suit. No, this isn't a very good suit. Let me do this one. Nope. I don't think this one is good. Nope. Totally not that one. I don't know either of these are good. I just don't know. Well, I guess I have to keep looking in this closet. Okay, let me do it. Trying to find one, but I can't see one anywhere. Nope. Not this one. Totally not this one. I can't find the other ones. I don't know where to look. Okay, so I also have to dress up too for this wonderful date. Okay. Gotta brush my hair. Yep. Okay.
I wonder how they are gonna look after date.
Me too. I think this suit I'm wearing is just perfect. Okay. Gotta put on this dress. Yep. Gotta put on this dress. I don't make it. Oh no. but I'm gonna put on some lip gloss and all that other makeup stuff. Now, all I gotta do is wash my face. Wash. Gotta wash my face. And now, gotta like brush my skin. Yep, I think that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna brush my hair. Yep, I'm gonna brush my hair. Okay. I'm gonna brush my hair. Yep. I know what I'm doing. Yep. I'm brushing my hair. Okay, we are ready. Be good, Fiona. I'm starting to feel like the parent, but okay. Yep, behave, Fiona.
Okay, I guess.
Okay, these are my rules. So, you have to go to bed way early, 'cause you have to go to school.
What do you mean? I don't even go to school.
Well, I mean, wake up early. That's when So, it's 8 p.m., so you have to go to bed.
Why am I feeling like the child?
Just go to bed.
Okay, fine. Go to bed. You know what? Let me just sneak out sneakily. Sneaking out, making no noises. Okay. Hey, I got it. Yep. Yep, I think I did it. By the way, guys, the commercial starts right now.
Hello, guys. By the way, I know some of y'all already heard this, but did you know that this video was supposed to be released on February 14, 2025? But the creator got a little sleepy to do it. So, yep. I really got. So I know this is very late, but here, this is some chocolate, and it's only $5, you guys. So, yeah, hurry up and buy it. I'm tired of this job. I'm so tired.
I'm finally outside now.
Oh, hi, Fiona. I know I've been living in this house since in the 6th episode. Man, where did she go? Where is she? Oh my gosh. She sneakily got out of the house. How did she do that? Oh, she must have jumped out of the window. I'm gonna go get her. Wait, the door is locked. How do I get out now? I don't remember this code. Dang it. This is actually starting to be a wonderful day. I'm starting to love this day, y'all. So am I. This date is actually pretty fun.
Boo.
Ah, oh my gosh. You scared me, bro. Fiona, what are you doing here, bro? I thought I told you to stay in the house with Danny.
I was, but I got so bored in the house, though.
Oh, I get it. Oh, you didn't have anything to do in the house. We are sorry that we treated you like our daughter. For now, let's just have a fun time to stay here.
Okay.
Can somebody let me out? She locked me in this room. Somebody let me out.